Good morning. You can hear the train. Just a little bit after sunrise. Not too many of them last night. Slept great last night. So the plan today is, I'm just basically, I've done most of my morning chores, getting the van ready, and then I'm just going to start driving north. I'm going to stop at, there's one of the truck stops. It's also by a Walmart also. It's like all in the same direction. So I think I've got everything I need food-wise. I might stop at the Walmart, I'm not sure. But I am going to stop at the truck stop to go ahead and fuel up. And then we'll just continue heading north. So, I went ahead, I put in the coordinates to go to, I'm going to go up to the, to the truck stop. But then when I noticed where, of course, I came in from behind, but this road that I'm traveling down now, I notice it connects to the same highway. I think it's 83. So rather than taking the short way out, I'm going to take the long way out and go through this forest road and see, number one, if there's any other opportunities out here, just in case one day I show up and it's full here, maybe there's more down this way. And if I see anything cool, I will stop and I will definitely show you. So I did find a couple of these where it's just basically, it's a pull off just right from the road. Still have some more to go that way. This one was more like an open clearing, but still so beautiful. Firewood. But I don't know if I wonder if that's a marker meaning that this is a site. I don't know, there's some more over that way, but it's just, all right.
Turn left onto Georgia 83 North.
83 North. So yeah, it's very, very nice. So the main campsite was where I stayed. Those two areas, one across from each other. But then, like I said, there were a couple like pull-offs that were very, very nice. And now I'm heading to a truck stop or the Walmart too. I might do both. Once again, it is nice to just slow down, not be in a rush. I know that people right now are on a rush to get to work and all that, but yeah. All right, I will go ahead and continue down the road, and we'll see where we go.
What's in your wallet? Explore the place.
Okay, I'm at the Walmart picking up a few things. Stopped at a gas station. I'm having the ignition problem again. Did everything they said to do, and it took me several times to start the vehicle up. I called them, spoke with them for a while. They kept deferring to, well, if it doesn't happen to us, there's nothing we can do. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, other than I am going to go back to Florida, postpone this trip again, and I will see what I can do. I'll take it back to the mechanic and see what they say. And if they keep going, well, if it doesn't happen to us, we can't do anything, then I'll take it to a dealership and have them do a full diagnostics, because they are probably going to be more aware of what to test for and what to check. Other than that, a little disappointed, but that's what it is. So I'm going to head back to Florida, and then I'll try to find some other, little small adventures, maybe do some backpacking, find some place, maybe do some camping somewhere close by. I might even go back to Ocean Pond, just for fun or something. I'm not sure. All right, the adventure continues. Oh boy.